Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath. Now the bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. And today we want to have a look at the Reolink Argus Eco battery operated camera. Now we're going to go ahead and get it open and we're going to go over some of the specifications, get it set up, and I'm going to tell you whether or not this is a camera you should have in your home. Alright, let's go ahead and take off this little seal and let's open it up and see exactly what we have up in here. Now you met with this little package and basically it's your manual and stuff like that up in here. Nice presentation. As you can tell, the delivery man kind of beat my box up, but it is what it is. Your quick start guide, you have a little template in the back for whenever you're drilling holes. That way you just have to drill one time, exact measurements, and you have this little sticker right here. So that's a great presentation. Let's see what else we have inside of the box. Let's open it up. Alright, great. So here is the screws that you're going to use to mount it. Here's your mounting base. This is adjustable. Basically it's a quick release where you can put the camera off and on the mount. I absolutely love this right here, and you can see the mounting points right there. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You just unscrew it and the camera come loose, and then you tighten it back up, fix it to the right angle that you want, and you're good to go. Alright, let's go ahead and get everything out. First thing you notice is the antenna, and you have a micro USB charging wire, and you also have a scrap up in here. Now this camera is 1080p. It have a two-way radio in here also, where you also can hear and you can speak through the speaker. Also with this camera is IP65, meaning that it is dust and water resistant. On the underbelly of it, it have your off and on switch and a insert for your micro SD card, and you can see the speaker underneath the belly. The back portion right here is the charging port, and of course the little rubber is to help complete the waterproof. And this is your mounting port and your antenna. You just go ahead and mount it like that. Easy peasy, guys. Let's go ahead and set this camera up. Setup is easy. You download the app, you follow the prompts after you register. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, so here I am inside of the app. I want to go ahead and add device. Now again, you have to register first, and then you want to give the app all of the permissions. It's going to ask you to use the barcode to scan the bottom so it can register the camera. Again, easy peasy, follow the prompts. Now here's the tricky part. You want to make sure that you choose your Wi-Fi. When you're configuring your Wi-Fi, you have to use the 2.4 gigahertz. If you use the 5 gigahertz, you would not connect. It runs off for 2.4 gigahertz. Just keep that in mind. Alright, so after you put in your Wi-Fi password, you want to go ahead and take your camera and point it to the barcode. I love that it have audible, so if the camera is going to give off a sound, it's going to let you know when you're ready to move to the next step. It's just that easy. And just like that, I'm connected. Now I just want to create a name for my camera and set up a password for it. Now, by this camera being battery operated, you're going to get a few months out of this camera, just depending on how you have your notifications set up. And what I mean by notifications, meaning that inside the app, you have the option for motion detection, push alerts and stuff like that. Now, each time you push the alert, it's going to send an alert to your phone, however you have it set up. And of course, that's using batteries because the camera have to respond. Just keep that in mind. Now right now I'm just setting up my password and naming my camera, but a little bit more information about the app. When you have the SD card set up in there, you could go back and watch after you get those alerts. You know, when the alert was sent, you can get that moment in time on your SD card. So make sure you have a good SD card and make sure that the SD card writes fast. Basically guys, once you have the camera set up and once you get inside of the app, you have free range at the device. Of course you have night vision with this device, and like I said, it's 1080p, and here it is. We now have a live signal. You can see that the camera is very responsive. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can change the quality on the camera, whether or not it's in HD. And you just navigate to this button right here, go ahead and change the resolution, and voila, you can see the improvement in the resolution. Absolutely amazing. So I'm thinking you're getting a lot out of this camera, especially if you have a blind spot in your yard or something like that. The godsend is that if the lights go out, you can reassure that your camera is still in operation. In Louisiana, we have hurricane season, so the power go out, guys. As long as I have cell reception, I still be able to monitor my home. If there's any potential looters or something like that, I still have access to what's going on outside my home. Or, you know, after the hurricane, if the cameras are still intact, basically I can monitor my yard, look at the debris before I even go out. This is why I love this camera, that it's ran off a battery. You also can hook up a compatible solar panel to it, and that way you won't have to worry about charging, taking it down, or charging it like that. So I think this is a great camera, guys. I'm going to go ahead and give this 5 stars because of the ease of use and the quality of the video. Hey, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, security is key. Be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.